here I am. Okay, let's start. Alright, what is the... okay. Let's see if this is filming. Oh. Perfect angle. Okay. This is going to be a new whole experience, but I can do it. Beep. I can do it. Alright. First, I'm going to use the extra telephone holder and test it. Then I'm going to test the mobile data. Okay, let's go step by step. So let's take it easy first. Only the case of the telephone in the airplane. Beep. Okay. So holder. So this is looking... I suppose it's going to be better in this way, right? So it's going to be looking like this to the front. Let's see, it's going to create wind resistance. Ooh, I do not have the Allen key, so it's going to be with this. If it hits the ground, it's going to do like this, more or less. Alright, let's test it like this. Alright. No extra telephone needed in this flight, only the basic. So let's use the basic, that means let's use Wi-Fi this time. Beep. Only Wi-Fi. Preparing is what it takes time and it's annoying. What is the most important? Most critical. Alright, so this is going to be the telephone controller this time, and only this. Turn on. Oh shit, I turned on this before. Oh shit. Oh, this is cyan blue. Oh, that's interesting. That is interesting. It's a new color. Okay. Beep. Beep. And let's use it like a table. Brrp. Brrp. Okay, it's going to be cold. It's going to be many minutes here. Whoa. No, don't do that. Ah, shit. I don't like to force the servo motor like that. Not like it, not like it. Okay, this one is very good. This is very good. Very, 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 very blackberry. Very, very good. Alright, let's put it similar to the position that I'm going to use. Or even the worst. This is the worst. And let's take the baby. Beep. Oh, hey. Shit. What is doing? It's not connected to this. Maybe I need to turn on the Wi-Fi. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, dry, keep it dry, keep it dry, keep it dry. Alright, again. Beep. And in case I need I'm going to turn off the mobile hotspot. But I know you can. You see? So you can do it. Ah! What happened?